Now, I request the Prime Minister of Pakistan to share his words of wisdom with us.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Prime Minister of Azad Kashmir, Faisal Mumtaz Rathore, Dr. Raja Ali Raza Anwar, Chairman, PAEC, Dr. Chaudhry Ehsan Iqbal, Federal Minister Planning, Mr. Amir Muqam, Federal Minister, Rana Sanaullah, and honorable members of Azad Jammu and Kashmir Cancer Hospital, professors, surgeons, physicians, faculty members, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It's really a great honor to be here to inaugurate this wonderful facility established for suffering humanity, and they are in thousands. I think there cannot be a better profession and a more important noble cause to serve those sons of the soil who have to travel far distances from Muzaffarabad and remote areas of Azad Kashmir to Islamabad and other places and get treatment for a disease which is life-threatening. I would like to comment the great efforts of Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission, and then of course SPD, philanthropists, doctors, and very caring parents for looking after this great facility to treat those people who don't have financial resources, yet they need most urgent medical treatment. Ladies and gentlemen, I myself am a cancer survivor. I could afford this very expensive treatment at that point in time. This is now more than 20 years ago. Imagine the plight of the common man in this country. Imagine those, coming from remotest areas of Pakistan. Imagine those who can't even meet their one meal a day. Imagine who work and toil untiringly with their sweat and blood, yet are not able to bring up and meet the expenses, educational expense of the children, let alone medical treatment. So here we are, a very valuable contribution of Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission, and of course combined with SPD. I think there cannot be a bigger service to suffering humanity than treating those patients who are at the edge of their life because of this threatening disease. Therefore, I'd like to comment your great efforts and like to encourage you to do more. Take faster steps and control and arrest this disease as best as possible through your innovative, outstanding efforts and teamwork. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your tremendous efforts. I've just visited MRI Plus machine and other mammograph machine, etc. I think the latest technology inducted in these latest versions. I think what is important is that they must be operated around the clock, so that the patients, if they come during middle of the night, they are given a smiling welcome and given a ray of hope and a genuine talk, so they are comforted their children, their kith and kin would pray for your long life, for your success for all times to come. Pakistan Paindabad.
आज़ाद कश्मीर मोहम्मद शहबाज शरीफ ने मुजफ्फराबाद में कश्मीर इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ न्यूक्लियर मेडिसिन, ऑन्कोलॉजी एंड रेडियोलॉजी का इफ्तिताह कर दिया। तकरीब से खिताब में वज़ीर आज़म शहबाज शरीफ ने कहा कि शानदार इदारे का इफ्तिताह करना मेरे लिए एजाज़ का बाइस है। दुखी इंसानियत की खिदमत से बढ़कर कुछ नहीं होता। कैंसर अस्पताल से इलाज के लिए दीगर शहरों का रुख करने वालों को मकामी सतह पर बेहतरीन तिबी सहूलतें मुयस्सर आएंगी।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।